Can a trader become billionaire? The short answer is yes, but it's not as simple as just buying and selling stocks or currencies. Becoming a millionaire trader requires mixed skill, discipline and risk management and keep understanding of the markets. It's about making consistent profit over time while scaling up capital and opportunities, often with the help of leverage, technology, and sometimes running hedge funds or trading firms. Some of the wealthiest traders in the history started with modest beginnings but turned their expertise in the fortunes. Think of legends like George Soros or Stanley Druckenmiller, who not only made billions but also influenced global market with their trades. The trader didn't just rely on luck. They studied markets psychologically, microeconomic trends, and used sophisticated strategies to gain edge. One major factor that allows traders to reach billionaire status is their ability to scale. While individual retail traders might have limited capital, professional traders often manage billions of dollars from institutions, investors, or hedge funds. This scale multiplies their returns significantly. By scaling also means managing enormous risk, which only the most skilled and disciplined traders can handle. Technology also plays a critical role. Many millionaire traders use advanced algorithm, AI, and high-frequency trading system to execute thousands of trades with precision and speed that human traders can't match. These tools help them capitalize on tiny price movements that add up to the huge profit over time. However, the millionaire trading is not for everyone. It requires mental toughness to handle massive losses, patience to wait for the right setup, and humility to learn from mistakes. The pressure is enormous, and that stakes are high. Many traders burn out or lose everything because they over leverage or chase unrealistic gains. It's also important to realize that trading alone is not the only way to build billionaire level wealth. Many traders become entrepreneurs, launching trading firms, investing funds, or technology companies that serve the financial industry. Diversifying income source and creating scalable business models often escalate wealth growth beyond just trading profits. So, can a trader become a billionaire? Absolutely, but it takes more than just skill in trading markets. It demands a combination of strategy, thinking, risk control, innovation, and often building an empire beyond just the trading screen. If you want to aim for billionaire status, focus on mastering your craft, scaling your capital wisely, leveraging technology, and always learning. The journey is tough, but this persistence and smart choices, it's possible.